no Spanish, almost no French. The necklace is from Rachel Comey. It's on my story. I tagged her. Oh my God. I can't tell what's a gun and what's what's fireworks. I feel like I'll always have that problem. I don't know. But there's dogs barking now. And when a firework goes off, dogs don't bark when a firework goes off. I don't know. I don't like it. That's what I thought. That's what I assumed, is guns are more of a pop than they are like a boom. But sometimes that shit sounds like a pop. I don't know. I hate it. Somebody said, girl, get the fuck up out of there. You got a firework on your head. I know, it's beautiful. I wish some people liked my feather boa hat idea just as much as I did. I feel like most of y'all do, but some of y'all don't. I wish you could understand this. I really do. I'm not trying to make you uncomfortable. I'm making me comfortable. I'm trying to innovate. And I think I did. I love this. It's so cute and it moves funny. It talks. Hi. It's not a hat, it's a scarf. It's like a skinny boa. And then I just wrapped it around my head and then tucked in the little edges to keep it put. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, Grandpa. Hey. Hey, piss legs. My piss legs. Alex has been peeing on his legs lately. And I didn't know why. Because I switch out the litter box. But someone filled the litter box up really high because they hadn't done it before. And they filled it all the way up. And he has like an igloo kind of vibe. Hold on, let me show you. It's like a igloo. It's like a little igloo vibe. So when you fill up the litter box all the way up to the rim of the thing, it stops like right around here. And when he goes in, he has to like hunch over. And when he hunches over, he pees all over his legs, and then he blots his feet on the kitty litter, and it coats his legs in kitty litter, and it will just be wet and then litter. And he'll track it everywhere, and I wake up in the morning, I'm just like, what the fuck? What happened? Your litter box is fine. Like, it doesn't stink, so I'm not like, let me look in there. But today I looked in there and that shit was full. And I'm like, no shit. You have no room to piss. So now he has a new nickname, Piss Legs. Hey, Piss Legs. Piss Legs. Hey, Piss Legs. So since he's been peeing, I've been giving him knee down showers. I take him in the shower and I take the little spot treating shower head and I just spray his legs down, and I bought some cat shampoo and I've just been washing his feet since then. But now I know what the problem is. I switched out the kitty litter. I had to throw away hella kitty litter. I know, he's embarrassed. Are you humiliated? Piss Legs, are you humiliated? He looks mad. He looks so upset. I'm not drunk. Interesting observation, though. I don't think he has dandruff. Not that I've noticed. He was upset with me yesterday. When I shower him, when I like wash his feet, he gives me attitude for hours after. He looks at me just like this. His eyes get really, like, his pupils dilate. And he just looks like he's in deep thought. But that means he's upset. No, I'm not high. I'm fucking smoking a puff bar. Also, it's freezing in my house, so I'm probably tense. It was 62 degrees yesterday in here. I didn't realize I didn't have the fucking heat on. And then I left and I came back and it was 62 degrees. It was rough. Fucking randoms, locals, keep saying I'm high. Thank you. I love my spoon necklace. I don't know what I think I want to like preserve it or buy another one just so that I always have a spoon necklace for the rest of my life, because that's how I feel about it. I love this necklace. Like, I low-key don't want to take it off in the shower type shit. Alex. He looks like he's in such an uncomfortable position. I need you to see this. Oh, no, it's okay. No, it's okay. Oh, well, he moved, but he looked so uncomfortable. He looks fine now. Hey, Grandpa. No, I didn't cut my hair. It's in a ponytail. Where's my puff bar? Did you take it? Ooh, this feeling. I hate this feeling. Alex. His ass is in my face. Alex, please. Please. Thank you. Hi. I didn't really tell anybody yet, but I got a new cat. I'm about to get a new cat. He's like healthy. He has all his shots. He's spayed. And whatnot. He's an Oriental short hair. He what was his original his original name is Orion, but I'm trying to name him something fancy and nobody's letting me. Or at least some of my fans are like, yes, name him that. But when I say like, bless you. When I say like, I want to name him Da Vinci. Or like, yeah, Alex is going to be upset. But I want to name him like Da Vinci or like Jacques or like fucking Vivaldi. But whenever I say that, I get made fun of. Look, I know why it's cringe. I do. But I love it so much. Because he really looks like that. He just looks like a sculpture. He has these giant ears and then these green eyes that you've never seen in your life. Like a green that you've never seen on any organism ever. His eyes are like a jade and they're beautiful. And then his body is like, he's going to be this like skinny thing. It is cringe to name your cat something like after like a composer.